Welcome to another week of planning, everybody. My name is Lavinia, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I have here for the upcoming week. This is the planner that I've been using. These are some sticker packs where I get some items here or some stickers and add them to my planner. Got these at, I think at Michael's. Either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Sometimes they have sales. And I found out about this through Donna Maria. Her channel is at Just Donna Maria. I will link her into my description box. And I've discovered through her Diane in Denmark and the Fly Lady system. So that is what I have been using. So you can always check out the hashtag and these other ladies in here on YouTube to see what they do. But this is my planner. It's an old planner that I am repurposing, and let's go ahead and open this up to the next week. So today's Sunday, and so this is starting Monday, the 24th of February. For me, it's my Zone 5. That's Zone 5 also in the Fly Lady system. And I am calling it my inspiration room. This is my craft room, my art room. And so just to give you an idea, what I have is for each of these pages here, I have a zone, and I've listed the main things that I would like to get done at some point in time. It doesn't mean that I'm going to get this done all in one week. It would be great if I could, but I know that's just not going to happen. So what I do is I just write down when I get to the page or to that week what I think I may be able to get done. Hopefully I get it done. If I don't, it's not a big deal. This is just not to stress me out, and I feel like this is working for me, because if it doesn't get done, it's like, oh well, when it comes back to a next time, I'll get to it. Or if I'm in another zone and maybe I have a little bit more time, maybe I can get to it. So for tomorrow, let's see, is the 24th. As you can see, I don't have any tasks written down. What I have here is play. After work here in our community, they're having a game night, so I am going to go. I don't usually get to go because it starts at 5 and I get off work at 5, but I am going to go in a little bit early so I can leave a little bit early and make that play date, so to speak. So I don't have anything written down for as far as for home, anything doing in the home, because probably by the time I get home it might be 7:30, just depending how late it runs. But for Tuesday, I have my main desk and my drawing desk. Now today I actually organized my main desk just a little bit, but there's still stuff that needs to get done. There's still stuff that the pupa is pick up, put away, so I still have to do that. Dust and then wipe down the desk. And for my drawing desk, the same thing. So behind me, I have another desk, and so I'm going to be doing the pick up, put away, dusting, and wiping down. These two desks, I think I can pretty much get done tomorrow, or not tomorrow, excuse me, Tuesday, even if it's after work. So that's why I have both of them down here. So it may take me maybe 15 minutes, not even, for each area. But just to show you, that's just the top of the desk, because I do have, as part of tasks, under the main desk to organize, under the drawing desk organize, and under my sewing desk organize, because I do have things underneath there, but those are different tasks because they can take 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes to do. Then for Wednesday, that for me is going to be my home blessing day. The Fly Lady, for her, she has it as a Monday, but I am off on Wednesday, so I have more time to do this. Now, if I was working the full week, I might just be breaking this down into chunks throughout the week. So it's whatever works for you. So I had the bed sheets, vacuuming, mopping, and dusting, and the vacuum, mop, and dust are just in the trafficked areas. So let's say a company were to come over, what areas do they see? It's not a detailed cleaning, vacuum, mopping, or dusting, because that you're going to do when you're in your specific zone. So for example, on Wednesday, I have here vacuum room. So this is going to be my detailed vacuum. So I'm going to get out my crevice tool and do a detailed vacuuming on Wednesday. This vacuum will be the entryway, the living room, and the den, and the bedroom. That's where I'll be doing that vacuum and mopping and dusting. And then I also have for Wednesday, since again I have more free time, I also have study. I'm in a class, so I'll be doing that. I do some throughout the week, but since I have more time here, I'll be watching and listening to videos as I do my items, my tasks. So I'm getting like a 2-for-1 out of that. But there's also reading, so I'll probably taking 15 minutes here and there and reading through my coursework book. And then Wednesday I also have my sewing desk, so I have pick up, put away, dust, wipe down, and maybe getting into one shelf just to organize that. So I keep, for example, in my sewing desk some art craft tools and like my gesso, my matte gel, my glue. So maybe just pulling something out of one shelf and organizing it. So not necessarily all the shelves, but maybe just one. Then for Thursday, I haven't written anything down. This is just a stamp that I had, and I decided to use purple and blue and mix that up for that stamp just to do something different. So Thursday and Friday, I don't have anything listed as of yet. For Saturday, I have my dresser. So I do have a dresser here in my inspiration room, and in those drawers, I keep some craft tools. I keep a lot of my fabrics, my sewing fabrics in there. So, but what I'm just going to be doing on Saturday is just the top of it. So I'm going to be doing the pupa, the pick up, put away, the dusting, the wiping down. My aquarium is on top of the dresser, so it's right in front of me as I sit here. Right now I only have one aquatic snail. I'll probably get some ghost shrimp maybe later on in the spring once it starts to get warmer, and maybe add those. But right now I just have my snail, and he goes around. It's fun to watch. But so I have that there. So what usually I do for that, maybe once a month or so, I'll take out some of the water and then just put in some fresh water. But I've had that snail for over 2 years, so he's still going strong. Cute little thing. And then I also have here my water, the plants. So for example, Thursday and Friday, I probably could add, if I wanted to, like maybe organizing under one of the desks, but that's going to take quite a bit of time, I think. And usually as it gets to Thursday and Friday, because it's a long work day, I kind of tired, and I really don't honestly want to do any of this. So these for me are probably going to be more like a day off kind of task. So I don't know, maybe we'll see if I get to it this upcoming Saturday or Sunday, but otherwise I'm just going to wait for when the zone comes up next. So there's no rush. But so far, that's what I have for this upcoming week. And if you participate in either the Fly Lady system, or maybe you do videos for your own decluttering, home organization, cleaning, anything like that, I would love to watch your videos. Go ahead and put something in the comment section, and I will definitely check your videos out. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.